Welcome to the next episode of Health Basket. Now most of the people ask me, why does hair fall? Have you ever wondered why do we lose so much hair? We lose most of the hair when the root tip of the hair becomes weak. So in order to control that hair fall, we need to strengthen the root of the hair. And for that, my tip for strengthening the root tip of hair would be to consume curry leaves. Yes, you call it karvepla in Tamil and you call it kadi patta in Hindi. It's a wonderful leaf, but it is undervalued. Now let me tell you what does this curry leaves do. Basically, you find these curry leaves in all the Indian seasonings, whether it is dal or sambar or poriyal or whatever food is seasoned, there is curry leaves added to it. Curry leaves is packed with carbohydrates, fiber, calcium, phosphorus, iron and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E and all the essential vitamins and minerals that are very good for our hair as well as for our skin. I've realized that most of we youngsters today have the habit of taking the curry leaves from the food and keeping it aside in the plate. But that's a very wrong idea. It is there because we are supposed to eat it, and that is why our root tips of hair are weakening these days. So the next time you see curry leaves in your plate in the food, do not take it and keep it aside. It is there not just for the flavor but also to be consumed. There are various ways in which you can consume curry leaves. The first is, if you find it in your food like in your dal or sambar or poriyal or koot, korambu, whatever, have it. Don't keep it aside. Second way of having it, if you're having a lot of hair fall, then you can have a handful of curry leaves along with 1 or 2 gooseberries, that is amla or nellika, and you can chew them in the morning on an empty stomach. That will also strengthen the tip of your hair. And the third way is, you can also make it into a chutney and you can have it with your roti or you can have it with your rice. You can add some ghee to the rice and the chutney and you can have those chutney rice which is made up of curry leaves, and it is really yummy. So friends, if you are living in India, make the best use of these wonder leaves, and remember, we get these leaves for free. So make the best use of it. I hope you liked this video, and I'll be back with another health tip for you. But till then, eat well and take care.
Health tips for healthy life. For more such health tips from our senior doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Stay connected to us through our social platform. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.